Hello.
Good afternoon.
Oh, Mom. You're back?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, no. You're welcome. So how was school today?
It was fine, no, and guess what?
What?
I got the highest score in my classwork today.
Yes. Hey, where? Hey. That's good. Tai, what will I do for you? Okay, I will get you a nice present. I'll buy you something good.
Okay.
So just tell me, what do I buy for you?
Nothing actually, but those bedtime stories of yours would do.
I know you love my fairy tales, so but it's not fairy tales this time. I want to buy something tangible for you. You think your mother is too poor to buy you something?
No, I didn't say that. Nah, you're not the one that said that. One is only poor if they think themselves as such.
Do you know you're a very smart girl? It's all right. I'll get you something good. A nice present, okay? But in the meantime, I want you to go in there, remove your clothes, freshen up, then you come and eat your special delicacy. Yes, I prepared ofaku for you.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
And I know that you've been missing me since I went out.
Exactly.
So I'm going to freshen up,
okay,
eat, and then come and give you company.
It's all right, my dear.
All right, I'm coming.
Chai, God, Biko, help me with this, my daughter. Oh, please.
Hello, my beautiful family.
Welcome, Dad.
Oh, thanks,
Hey,
darling.
you.
How are you? Hello, darling.
How are you? Welcome home.
Thank you very much.
How was your day?
My day, full of meetings, you know.
It's okay. Why don't you just freshen up while I heat up something for you to eat? Nancy, why would you drop that? Can't you do anything right?
Ah, come on, take it easy. She's just a kid now.
A kid that will grow to be an adult, right?
Sorry, Mom.
There, you need to correct her with love, and not, don't make her scared of you.
Children tend to stray when they're not properly cautioned. You're the lenient one, I'm the harsh one. Let's leave it that way.
Well, I'm just saying don't be too harsh now. You know I'm traveling soon, and she's going to be here with you alone.
Dad, you're traveling.
Yes, baby. I've got to go to the village to monitor the house that's been built there. Don't worry. I'll only be away for 2 weeks, huh?
I'll miss you, Dad.
And I'll miss you too. But don't worry, I'll be back soon, okay? Just 2 weeks.
Daddy will be back soon, okay?
Yeah.
Daddy's
So-
girl.
Pick that. What do you call it? Let me fix it for you.
Don't worry, I'll do it.
So that you can shout on her again? Oh no. I don't even know how to do it. Okay, take. All right, I'm expecting food though.
It's fine, just freshen up. I'll sort it out. Handle this properly. Good morning. You have woken up before the hens again. Eh? You are so tender with your very tender hands. Yet you are doing such a big work.
I just want to, do one or two before I go to school.
No, it's okay. Go and drop the bucket so that you don't go to school late.
Nah, don't worry. I don't want to leave you lacking water in the house.
I insist.
No, I don't want you to lack in my absence. So let me just go. It's just remaining 1 or 2 buckets and I'm done.
No, I insist. I don't want you to go late. Oh.
I'm coming. I'll not go late.
This girl is such a blessing to me. I hope I can give her the good life she deserves. Oh God, Please help my daughter. Help her to get favor wherever she goes. Amen.
I don't like this.
Nancy, what are you doing? Aren't you supposed to be doing your assignment? You came here to study, but you left what you were supposed to be studying to be watching TV. How do you expect to do well when you act like this? What is your problem? Are you not tired of failing?
No, Mom, I'm very attentive in class.
It doesn't look like it. You were supposed to be studying, but you're busy watching TV. Let me look at that. You're not even doing this right. Nancy, for goodness sakes, you have to do better than this. You have to improve. Stop allowing yourself to get distracted easily.
Alright, Mom, I'll study harder.
You should, okay? You should study harder so that you make Mommy proud. Don't you want to make Mommy proud? Now here's what you're going to do. You add this together. Ah, Ma. Ogini. Eh? Why are you back from school so early?
They chased me out of school because I've not paid my school fees.
You did not deliver my message again to them.
I did, but the principal did not agree. He said I should not come back to the school without the school fees.
Oh. No. It's okay. No? Go. I don't even know what is wrong with these people. Why can't they be sympathetic and considerate for once? Hey, Chineke, if I didn't sell my piece of land, I would have sold it now and used the money to take care of your school fees.
Now what about that old piece of land I used to farm on?
That one is not fertile at all, and nobody will even agree to buy that one. And as you see me, I can't even cultivate, and my bones are weak.
I can cultivate. I can just, go and be cultivating so that I'll save enough money for my school fees.
Cultivation is not child's play. Don't worry.
God. Mama, if you teach me how to cultivate, I will learn. I cannot stay out of school, though. Can't. But why did you sell your good land that time?
My dear, you won't understand. But I sold it for a good purpose. Don't worry. You will not stay out of school. Okay? I'll get some boys to cultivate the land for us, if they will agree to be paid after. Hmm?
I hope so too. I hope they will agree.
Hey. But in the meantime, maybe I have to go to Mazi Worker and ask him for loan so that I can send you back to school. Hmm?
Okay. But don't worry, okay? Immediately I go out of school, I will look for a good paying job. I'll even change this house and buy you a car.
I am very proud of you. But I'm very sorry for making you go through all this.
Don't worry, Ne, it's not your fault. But let's look at it from the bright side. Okay. I get to keep you company. Okay, let me go and change so that I can see if I'll sell some and start saving up for the school fees.
I even packed pure water in the freezer. I know you it was chilled by now.
Thank you so much. Let me freshen up and go and pack them. So that before it will be too
just
late.
remove your school uniform and go. When you come back, you bath. Oh?
Okay.
Hey. Suffering this small baby because of poverty. Hi. Honey. I'm really worried.
About what? You're traveling tomorrow? It's not the first time I'm going to the village now.
No, it's not about that. It's about our child.
And what about Nancy?
Nancy's poor performances keep bothering me. I don't know. Why is she not smart? Why is she just dull?
No, please don't use such adjective for my child, okay? I don't like it.
But honey, that's exactly how she is. I don't know. It hurts me really.
Right. Okay, sweet. Here, listen. Kids assimilate information differently. She used to be slow, yes, but she'll pick up now.
So why isn't she among the kids that assimilate a bit faster? Why didn't she take after any of us in intelligence?
Can't hold it that way now. Okay, will it help if we get her a tutor?
The last 2 that left didn't make any difference. So...
Sweetie, listen, give her time. Look, I've got to be up very early. I'm driving to the village. I need to sleep. Okay?
Honestly...
She'll be fine. Okay? Good night.
Good night.
Go to bed. You worry too much. Gosh. Are you sleeping?
Okay.
Good.
Please turn off the lights.
No.
Please.
You're closer.
Oh my goodness.
My eyes are already closed.
You're closer, I'm not. So, that is the end of my story.
Wow, this story is very interesting. I wish it didn't end. Tell me another one now.
First, what is the moral lesson you learned from this one?
Moral lesson. Okay, I learned that we should persevere at all times.
Oh, good. Another moral lesson is that you have to forgive people's flaws because no one is perfect.
No matter how or what they do to you, right?
Exactly.
Now, can you tell me another story?
Don't you get tired? I'm tired. And just look, it's almost getting late. We need to make dinner.
Look, I'm not hungry, so we can just leave it till tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll eat.
If you're not hungry, I am hungry. We cannot leave it tomorrow. Oh, old woman needs food.
Okay, but can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
I've been wondering, why is my own mother old? Like, my other classmates, all their parents are just young, you know. But you're old. And my classmates mocks me every time. They tell me that you're not my mother, that you're my grandmother. Are you my grandmother?
Ma, don't mind those classmates of yours. A parent is a parent, young or old. Okay? Or are you ashamed of me?
Oh, no, of course not. Why would I be ashamed of you? Look, I am super proud of you because you're my mother, my only mother.
I am happy with what you just said, and I'm proud of you too.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, let's go in there, cook, eat, sleep. You know you go to school tomorrow.
Okay, promise me that as you're cooking, you'll be telling me stories. At least short ones, no matter how short.
Don't you ever get tired of stories? I'm tired. So let's go inside and cook. Hey, we can help your mother to get up.
Sorry. What are we cooking?
Rice and ofam.
Rice.
You know it's your favorite.
Let's cook.
So you have mastered the song already?
That's because you're a good teacher.
You're making an old woman to blush. But do you know you have a melodious voice? You should be singing always.
You know, this is my favorite song now. It makes me remember how much I love you.
Yeah, and please make sure that that love doesn't depart from your heart.
Oh, it will not.
It's all right. Please quickly go down the road.
Okay.
Mama Oke's shop. Pico, buy your gilly for me. I'm already cooking. Oh?
Okay.
Buy 15 naira on.
15 naira.
We can manage the other 15 naira.
Okay, let me rush and go.
Go fast. Oh. Let me finish up this one. Go fast. Oh, I'm already cooking. Hey.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hi, Jesus, please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
Are you alright?
Hit me,
Are you
please.
okay? Are you hurt?
Please don't hit me, please.
Hey. Are you okay?
Sir?
Did you hurt yourself? I'm sorry, I wasn't looking. I was on the phone. I shouldn't have been.
Sir, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have crossed the road before looking.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Why do you think I was going to hit you?
Well, because some drivers are quick to get angry and shout at children anyhow.
It's okay. Listen, get up.
Sir, I need to go home now.
Huh? Where do you live?
Sir?
Where do you live?
It's just in front, just a stone throw.
Okay. Come. Let me drop you off. At least, I almost hit you down. So the least I could do is to drop you off.
No, sir. My house is not far. Just there's a
I know.
gate.
Listen, I won't feel comfortable with you going home by yourself. You almost got run down by a car. Come, let me take you. Let me drop you off. Look, I've got a daughter as well. Okay. Now, if you're my daughter, I want to make sure you're safe. So come, okay? You're
Sir,
okay.
it's
Don't
not
worry.
like
Hey, listen.
my house is not far. I can check it. I came by.
I know you did. That's fine. Just get into the car, okay? Huh? You didn't hurt yourself, did you?
No, I didn't.
Okay, come. Just get in. Get in, okay? It's open. Oh my goodness. Yeah, come.
Probably she did not see the ogili at Mamuke's place. Hey, I should have gone to the market. I know her very well. Hey. Oh. Ada. Nemo. Ogini. What happened?
I wasn't looking, so I almost got hit by a car.
Hey, whoa. I hope you're not injured.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
He was quick to stop.
Good evening, Mama.
Good evening, Nna.
And I'm so sorry I disobeyed you. I didn't want to enter his car before. I didn't want to enter. It's just that he insisted that I enter, and then
It's all right. It's all right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for my daughter causing trouble.
It's all right, Mama. It's all right. We're happy that, it wasn't a fatal matter. And she's right. She didn't want to come into the car before I insisted. I wanted to make sure she got home safe.
It's all right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
thank you, sir.
Hello. In fact, you're a very gentle man. Are you from this village? Because you're not familiar to me.
Yes, I'm from this village. My name is Kingsley Dike. But I don't live in this village. I live in the city.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's nice.
You're welcome.
It's okay.
No.
It's only right that when you come from travel, you at least come with bread. And in absence of bread,
bread and
yeah, Mama, take this.
No.
No, Mama, you can't reject this now. If anything, at least for
My name is Chidima, sir.
for Chidima, please, Mama, take it. Eh? Mama, take.
It's all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
very
much, sir.
You're welcome.
Chai.
All right, my dear.
May God bless you.
Thank
Chai.
you. Thank you.
In fact, may God replenish your pocket.
Amen.
Amen.
Chai.
I will come and see you guys again before I travel back to the city, okay?
Okay, sir.
You take care of yourself.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Okay.
Okay, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey.
Looks like a very nice person. No? Look at all the money he gives us. One day, Chai.
Let's count it.
Count.
One.
Hold and be counting. You know I'm still cooking. Give me the ogili.
Hey, Mama, your change is inside here. She gave me jara.
She put jara for you. No problem. I even put the soup down so that now that you're back, let me finish up.
Okay.
Hey.
Buy your pure water.
Yes, I should be back. I should be back probably in about a week. Just got some few things out here.
Buy your pure water. Auntie, do you want to buy?
Okay.
Uncle.
Chidima,
Uncle Kingsley.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How is it there?
Very fine. Oh, I saw you and I decided to come and greet you. Do you want to buy water?
What are you doing? Why are you not in school?
Sir, we don't have enough money to pay for my school fees, so I'm doing this to support my mother so that we can, save up and pay the school fees.
That's why you're not in school.
Yes, ma.
Aren't you a little too young to be hawking this? I mean, the streets are not safe.
What am I going to do? It's just like a way to help my mom save up for the school fees. But as soon as I get enough money, I'll go back to school.
Okay, wait. Here,
Sir.
take it. I want you to pay your school fees as soon as possible so you go back to school, okay? I don't want you hawking this anymore. You understand me? Take. This should be enough, right?
Sir.
Is it enough? I could give you more.
No,
Take it. You can't pay your school fees. You should be in school. You shouldn't be walking. No, don't do that. Take it. It's okay. I'll come and see Nene later, eh? And I'll tell her we're going to start your school fees and make an arrangement how we can be paying your school fees from now on. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're
sir.
welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're welcome.
you. Thank you. I appreciate Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
So run home now, eh? And don't be hawking this. You're too young. What if a car hits you or something?
My car will not hit me.
He will not hit you.
It's
Look
not
at you. Will
hit
not hit you, eh?
That hits
He will
me.
not
Oh,
hit
thank
you.
you, sir.
It's okay.
Hey, Nne will be very happy.
I'm sure. I'll come and see her later. Tell her I'll come, eh?
Okay.
All right.
I'll tell her.
All right.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's no problem.
Hey, sorry, sir. Let me just okay. Let me put this money inside so nobody will sit and kidnap me. They'll think I have plenty of money.
Yeah, you're a very smart girl. Oh.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you.
All right. Go straight home. Go home.
Sir?
Go home.
I've not my pure water.
Drink it when you get home, okay? Go. I know you will probably sell it. But make sure you pay your school fees, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay now.
See water.
Hello?
See money.
How are you? Yeah, I'm coming back to...
Buy your water. Buy your water. Buy your pure water. No, hey.
What is pursuing you?
Nothing is pursuing me. Hey, Nne. See money.
Where did you get this kind of money from?
There's that uncle that came here the other day, Uncle Kingsley. He just saw me selling my pure water and then he called me and then asked me why I'm not in school. I told him I don't have enough money for my school fees. He now gave me this huge amount of money. He did not even ask me how much my school fees was. Hey!
He gave you all this money?
Gave me plenty money. You see it now?
Just like that?
Just like that.
I hope you did not go out there begging.
Why will I beg somebody for money now? No, I did not beg you for the money. Just give me.
Bring it. Hey, somebody gave you all this money.
Plenty money.
Just like that. So good people still exist. Hey, yeah. Hey, my God will bless him.
Amen.
Chineke gozie ebe ego asi wee puta. He will never lack.
Amen.
In fact, smile will never depart from his face.
Amen.
Hey.
Amen. Hey, Simone.
I don't even know how to thank him.
He said that he will be coming. He will be coming to visit us later. And he also told me to extend my greetings to you.
Chai. Do you know you're a favored child? Eh? In fact, all this money will be enough to pay your school fees.
Yes.
And we'll still have extra left. Hey, Chineke dalu.
I'm very, very happy, Nne.
Child.
Like, I like him so much. It feels like I have a father now.
My dear, he's a very nice man.
Yes, so...
Since he's coming to visit us, what do we do? This time he will eat. We'll make sure that he eats something. So, take this 3,000 naira. Go to Mama Chinedu shop and buy smoked fish. Big one, no.
Mama okay is around though. Should I know?
I don't like her fish. It's just this ogiri. She knows how to sell good ones.
Buy that there's a way she used to do. But let me still...
So that we add it to the soup we have.
Okay. I'm coming.
He must eat with us when he...
Ne, I'm back, oh. Hey. Ne. So I went to Mami Buka's house and I gave her the vegetable. She was so happy. Even her sister was there. Her sister came back not quite long ago. Mama, so she was so happy. Mom, ne. I know you're hearing me. Sometimes you can just be dramatic. So she was so happy. Even her son was. She said that she will come here tomorrow and, you know, say a proper thank you to you. And the answer now. Now let's stop playing. Answer. Ne. 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 I said I have. Ne. Jesus Christ. Ne. I said I've delivered the vegetable now to Mama Ebuka. Why you doing this? Stop playing with me. Ne, this kind of play used to give somebody a heart attack now. Stop. Ne. Seriously, stop now. Stop. If this is a play, stop. You're making me scared. Ne, no. Ne, don't do this to me. Ne, wake up. Ne, wake up now. Ne, wake up. Ne, wake up. Ne, stop. This is really not good for me now. I'm a child. Ne, stop. Ne, why are you doing this? I said I've delivered the vegetable. Ne, please. Ne, please, I beg you in the name of God, just wake up, just stand up. I know that this is, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. Ne, please, I beg you. Ne, don't do this to me, please. I'm just a child and I have nobody in this world. I don't have anybody to stay with. Ne, please, I beg you, don't leave me alone. Please, Ne, I beg you. I don't have any other name. I don't know who to go to. I don't know who to stay with. Please, I beg you. Ne, please, don't. Ne, please, I beg you, don't do this to me. I beg you, please.
It's okay now, okay? Stop crying.
Uncle, my name is gone.
Yeah.
She's gone, like I would never ever see her again.
Hey, listen,
I cannot stand this.
It's okay. Listen, your in may be buried, huh? But she lives on. You know, I can't get over the laughter and the joy in her voice when I came to see both of you.
She usually tells me bedtime stories, and then I tell her how my school went, but now it's never gonna happen again.
Hey.
Because she's gone. Because she's...
Hey, it's okay. Listen, your Ina is in heaven, and she won't want to see you mourning and crying like this. Huh? You gotta be strong. You gotta know you're safe, okay? Listen, I'll be going back to the city. Do you have anyone that's gonna take care of you?
Do you want to leave me too? You want to leave me here so that I can die too? No, it's fine if you don't...
No. Hey. It's okay. I'll take care of you, okay? It's alright.
Please come back to me. I want her back. Get back to me.
All right. Hey, baby. come through. Oops, sorry.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
How was your trip?
Long, but hey, here we are.
Who is this girl?
Hello, ma.
This is Chidima.
Good afternoon, ma.
Chidima with my wife.
Is she a new maid?
No. She'll be staying with us. Yes.
How are you?
Her mother just passed and yes. Chidima, you know what? Why don't you just sit down? Let me go speak with her, okay?
Uncle, is she angry?
No, she's not angry with you. No, you didn't do anything. Just sit down, okay? I'm coming. All right? I will just go and drop my things. I'll be back in a minute, okay? Baby?
Why on earth would you bring a stranger into our home without consulting me first?
It wasn't something I wanted to discuss over the phone, okay? And besides, I'd given you some clues. Don't act all so surprised right now.
Because I'm surprised. Besides, how was I supposed to know that this stranger would be living with us in our home?
I told you she's got nobody. She's got no family, no one.
Isn't that strange to you? Why is she all by herself? Where is her family? What if they found out she's a witch and decided to abandon her?
Must you always blot out everything that comes off your mouth? Don't you think first? I don't like when you talk like this, though.
Have you forgotten how my sister's household snatched her husband from her? A girl she picked from the streets.
So this is what it's all about, huh? I am not your sister's husband, okay? And besides, Chidima she's a kid. She's 10 years old.
So what if she's 10 years old? She's almost approaching puberty. Besides, men don't do these things with their clear eyes. Listen, honey, I know you're a good man and you'd like to help, but she just doesn't have to be living in this house with us.
I told you, I've already bonded with this kid and the mother before the mother passed, okay? And I like this kid.
I do not want her in this house. She needs to go back to wherever it is you picked her from.
You don't even know this kid. You've already judged her. Give her a chance. She might just grow on you.
No. She is not growing on anyone, okay? We have a younger daughter here and I don't want her contaminating our daughter with her village.
So what do you want me to do? Toss her into the street?
Send her, exactly. Send her back to wherever it is you got her from.
And I told you I can't do that, okay? I'm gonna adopt this kid. She's gonna be a part of this family. Alright, so you just get used to it.
I will not recognize her as a member of this family and I will never treat her as one.
Why is he being like that one?
What are you doing seated there?
Auntie.
I am not your aunt. And as long as you're in this house, you're a total stranger. Are we clear? Now get up! I said get up! Come on! Take this dirty bag out of my couch. Move.
Ma?
I said you should move!
Ma, where am I?
Get out! Go this way! Move!
Okay.
Dirty village girl.
Ma, is it?
I will push you if you don't move. Get that thing out of here! Not working.
I am sorry. I know I should have consulted with you before taking such a rash decision.
Yeah, if you had any regards for me.
You don't mean that, do you?
I am serious. Listen, it's a strange world out there and people do terrible things, okay? We have to be careful. I've seen a man's kind act lead him to his grave.
Okay. I know there are some people out there who abuse chances like that. But there's some good people out there who actually deserve goodness that we have to offer as well. Listen, she's a good kid. I want you to take care of her. Treat her like you treat our daughter.
Oh no, it's going to take a lot of getting used to. She looks so primitive.
What do you expect? She's a kid that's never left the village before.
I just hope she doesn't stress me, okay? Because I already have a headache I'm dealing with in this house.
Mama is a good kid. She's not stubborn. She won't give you stress.
How come you know a lot about this lady?
I spent some time with her. She's a good kid, an intelligent kid as well, you know. Yeah.
Tell me more.
Well, I will leave that to you getting used to her or getting to know her. I'll go and set the table for dinner. Okay?
You go do that.
All right.
Mr. Good Guy.
Yes, I'm the good guy.
This place is fine. See bed, big bed. Soft.
Now let me set this straight. You don't touch my daughter's clothes. You don't touch her shoes. You don't touch her bags. You don't touch her toiletries. You don't touch anything that belongs to her. Am I clear?
Yes, ma.
And this is where you'll be sleeping. Not on the bed. Did you understand everything I said to you?
Yes, ma. Thank you so much, ma.
Good.
Thank you, ma.
I'm glad to see that you all are doing very well, getting along fine. So, you'll be sharing this room with Nancy, okay? Feel at home.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Don't you think I already told her that?
Honey, I just
Oh,
want...
please. Save it for dinner. Excuse me.
Anyway. So, darling, like I said, I want you to see Mahi as your older sister, okay? And feel free to share everything you have with her.
But Dad...
No buts, okay? It's good to share your things with people. One good turn deserves another. Ma, I want you to see her as your younger sister, okay? And you guys should get along.
Okay, sir.
If you need anything, you let me know, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, so you freshen up and then come up for dinner.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. All right, you guys, you get along, you know? Been time to get a bond. All right, kids.
Okay. Babe, how are you?
Please don't touch me and don't talk to me.
Excuse me. Lord, I thank you for everything you've been doing for us. I thank you for the life. I thank you for I and Uncle's journey. Thank you that it was safe. I also pray for Nne. I know she is singing with other angels in heaven. I pray for my new family. I pray that love and light dwell in us all. In Jesus' name that I pray. Amen.
So, is that what you call her? Ne.
Oh, yes, that's what I call my mom.
Sorry, I didn't know your mom is late.
It's fine. She's in heaven, so I'm not worried.
Your father too?
Well, my mom said he passed on before I was born, so my birth was like a compensation to her.
Oh, so you're an orphan.
Yes.
Okay, don't you have any siblings?
No, I don't. You know, you're really lucky. You have your both parents and a beautiful home.
Thank you, but my mom doesn't seem to like you.
Yeah, you know, she doesn't know me well enough, so I understand. But with time, she'll get used to me and like me.
My mom hardly likes people, especially strangers. Maybe if you do well in your academics, she'll get on a good records.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you for the hint. Good night.
Yeah. I want you to register her in school. She's been away from school for quite a while. I want her to catch up.
Okay. I'll find her a school after I'm done dropping off Nancy in her own school.
I don't understand. What's wrong with Nancy's school?
Nancy's tuition cost an arm and a leg. That's what.
And I can afford it. What's the problem?
There's no way I'm putting her in Nancy's school. I'll find a nearby and less expensive school for her.
And why is that? Because she's not your biological daughter. Huh? I thought you agreed that we'll treat her like our own daughter.
Well, she's not our own daughter.
And what is the problem? Huh? Why can't you coexist with a little girl? Because she's not your blood? Where's your humanity?
Kingsley, can you not start with me this morning? If I'm not cohabiting with her, then what is she doing under my roof? Please, we should mind the way we spend on that child.
Okay, you know what? There's enough money here to register her in school. Please, register her. I don't want to get upset, okay? I'll see you later. Take care.
What's the name of your school?
My darling.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
Let's go.
Let me help you with your bag.
Carry her back to where?
Um,
Where do you want to take her back to?
Uncle Kingsley told me that I'll be following people so that I'll go and register in Nancy's school today.
Follow who? Follow who?
He said that I will register.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You want to follow me to Nancy's school dressed like this? You want to embarrass me in that school? Just write down everything I need to know about you so I can have something to give to them when I get to that school. Useless girl. You want to follow me? Write it down and bring it to me in the car. Rubbish. Dirty girl.
Nemo. Ezigbo Nemo. Nemo. Nemo, why? Why did you leave me like this? This woman doesn't like me. What will I do? I don't know what to do. Nim, you taught me to see the best out of every situation. So I'll not let this break me. I'll not let it break me. I'm going to see the best out of it. I'll not let it break me. This girl is so funny. She's mental. Oh God, I wish Nene was alive, oh, so that I can add this one to the list of stories I'll tell her. It's not only her telling me stories. At least once in a while I'll still tell her. But it's fine.
What nonsense.
Auntie?
Come on, get down from there! Stupid girl! How dare you sit so comfortably on my couch, laughing stupidly like it was your father that bought it for me? Idiot! Get out of this place! Get out of here! Hey! Come back. From today henceforth, you don't sit on my couch. I don't want to find your dirty body on my couch. You will sit on the floor.
Ma?
Did you hear me? You will always sit on the floor. Or don't even come here again. Did you hear me? Don't near my sitting room again. Get out! Get out of this place! Go on, get out! Move! Dirty girl! Useless girl.
Ma,
Sir?
there's no stew in your plate now. Take some more stew. Come on, feel free. This is your home. Take some more stew. Actually, you're eating just white rice. Go on, take some stew.
Sir, don't worry. I'm fine.
Ma, you're eating white rice. Okay? Add some stew. Come, bring your plate. Yeah. Add some stew. You're eating white rice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. Feel free. This is your home, okay? Eat as much as you want. Baby, do you want some stew? Okay. Sweetie, you want some? Are you sure? Okay. Ma, eat, okay? This is your home. It's your family. Oh, this is really nice, baby. I love it. Where are the girls?
I didn't even check on them, but they should be out any minute.
Okay, let's go.
There they are. Let's go. Good morning.
What are you
Good
wearing?
morning,
What is
darling.
this? What are you wearing?
Oh no, my neighbor bought it for me during Christmas. It's my Christmas clothes.
Well, you can't wear this to church. You gotta go and change. You can't change to something else.
What do you want her to change into? She just told you now that this is her Christmas dress that her neighbor for her. So that means that's the best she's got.
Nancy? Could you give her one of those big clothes that we bought for you from London, hoping that you're going to the size? Give her one of those, okay?
Why do I have to share my dress with her?
Because she's your sister.
Besides, it's not even her size.
I'm asking you to give her one of the big ones that we bought for you that you're supposed to grow into. Give her one of those ones. Come on, go with her. Weren't you supposed to change her wardrobe? You saw the clothes she came with from the village.
Did you tell me to change her wardrobe?
Am I supposed to tell you that?
Yes, you're supposed to tell me that because she's not my priority. Okay? Come, baby.
Now that's better. Nice. It's a bit short, but it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
I will sort out some shoes for you later, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's go to church. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Thank God I'm going back to school. See this uniform. See the combination is so beautiful. Yellow. Look, I'm sure that this school we are going to now will be way bigger than my old school, right? Nancy, how big is the school? Nancy.
What is it? Can't you see I'm not interested? You talk too much.
Nancy, what have I done to you now? We are sisters, yet you don't talk to me like one.
I don't remember my mother having another child, so we are not sisters.
Look, we might not be related by blood, but at least I take you as my sister, and you're supposed to do the same.
The fact that my father shows you love doesn't mean you're a part of this family. You think I can't see that you're trying to steal my father's love away from me?
But I'm trying to steal. How am I trying to steal? Look, Nancy, I cannot do.
So, darling, how was school today?
Of course, it was very, very fine. Can you believe I've started adapting to all those people in the school? Even the school premises, even the
Wait here.
My God, I shouldn't have said anything. This my mouth will put me in trouble one day. Ma.
Wash them. Did you hear me?
Wash them.
Yes. Gather them and go and wash. Where are you going? I said you should gather these clothes and go and wash them.
I want to change my clothes. I'll wash them quickly.
Oh, really? You will change? Eat before you wash clothes?
Yes.
Are you out of your mind? My friend, will you gather these things and go and start washing them?
My Nene used to allow me eat and change my clothes before she sends me on any errand.
Look around you. Do you see your name? Is your name in this house? Before I blink, pack these clothes and go and wash them. Come on, move.
Please,
I said you should take these things and go and wash them. And you...
Please, I'm hungry now.
Come on, get out. Go and wash them. You want to eat food and change before you will wash. Village girl.
Chidima, what are you doing still up?
I'm doing my assignment. The teacher said
You're doing your assignment now?
Yes.
What have you been doing all day? I mean, you know it's past your bedtime.
I've been busy.
Busy doing what? Washing dishes that takes a few minutes? You're getting lazy, young lady. It's almost past your bedtime.
I've been washing clothes.
You've been washing clothes?
Yes, sir.
You don't even know how to lie. Washing clothes how? When is the washing machine in the house?
I didn't use the washing machine. I used my hands to wash it.
You use your hands to wash it? Are you telling the truth? Why would you...
Honey, you...
Why would you ask her to do the laundry with her hand?
No, I didn't. Was it what she told you? Honey, I just told her to drop the clothes for me at the laundry machine, that I was gonna wash them by myself with my hands, on my own. I didn't even know she did it by herself. I didn't tell... Did I tell you to wash those clothes by yourself? That wasn't what I told her. Don't mind her. You know she's primitive and she lacks comprehension in English language, so I didn't tell her that.
That's not how you told me.
I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay, it's okay.
Honey, I'm sorry. Okay, I thought because you were having a hard time accepting her, that's why. Look, I'm sorry.
But you were just going to yell at me now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay?
It's okay.
And you, make sure you finish this before you go to bed, okay? Got you. All right.
Coming to bed soon.
All right.
Witch. Jezebel. Ooh. So, you brought your assignment here so that my husband will see you, right? So that he will notice that you're still not sleeping by this time of the day and yell at me? Nonsense. Who wanted him to yell at me? Wicked girl. Come on, pack your things and get out of this place now. Senseless, stupid village girl. Get out! Move, my friend. Come on, move. You go about looking for sympathy everywhere you go. Nonsense. Stupid, silly girl. Nancy, you're watching cartoon again? Are you done with your assignment?
Yes, Mom. Chidima helped me do it.
Chidima,
Yes.
that coconut head helped you with your assignment. What can that village girl possibly do for you? Are you not tired of failing? Let me see.
Hey!
Daddy!
Hello, darling. How are you?
Fine.
That's good. Hey, babes. Where is your sister?
She's inside.
All right, go and get her.
Okay, Dad.
Yeah.
Mom, is it correct?
My friend, go and do what your father said you should do.
Chidima!
You're welcome.
You're still very harsh on those kids. You need to take it easy, you know. Thanks, baby. I'm good. Hey,
Ma.
here's what I got you.
Thank you so much, sir.
You don't look happy. What's wrong?
Yes, she's okay.
Oh, she looks sad.
She's okay. She was helping me in the kitchen.
You're missing me, right? Come. Come. Listen, we're your family now, okay? You're not alone. And we love you. All right? Now give Daddy a smile. Yeah. Now go and try your new clothes. Some nice clothes there for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know, we need to give that girl all the love she can get. You. How are you?
I'm sorry. I know I haven't been fair to you. And you have been helpful to me. And I'm sorry about the way my mom treats you.
It's okay. It's fine.
So you can share my bed with me and also move your things into the wardrobe.
Seriously? Thank you so much.
Can I tell you a secret?
What's that?
If you can prove to my mom that you're intelligent, she will like you. She likes intelligent people.
Do you think that will work?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. If that's it now, I will try and get good grades in this term. So that I'll see if she'll like me. Okay, thank you.
Let's move your things to the wardrobe.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it really.
You're welcome.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, your wardrobe is fine.
Thank you. Now, let's...
Why have you been ignoring me since afternoon?
Because I have nothing to say to you.
Listen, honey.
Don't touch me.
Because of that small girl, right? I know that girl coming into our home was a big problem.
What has come over you? This is not the woman I married.
Of course. Everything changed the minute you let a stranger into our home. Now she wants to ruin our marriage.
I thought we were over this. I thought you accepted her.
Just to make you happy. But I can't see myself being happy when a stranger is living right under my roof, for goodness sakes. I don't even know what her motive is.
Motive?
Yes!
She's 10 years old.
Ooh, the girl that snatched my sister's husband was just 15.
You are unbelievable.
How am I unbelievable? You go about trusting people, helping people. I am nothing like you.
Okay.
Now you're walking away from me?
I am going to the living room to go and sleep. You can have the
Kingsley,
bed to yourself
I am not
and have all your unhealthy thoughts.
Great. Walk away. Walk right away. You will come back and meet me here. Chidima,
Ma?
what are you doing sitting comfortably on my couch and raising your legs? Haven't I warned you about sitting on my couch? Haven't I warned you? I told you to always sit on the floor. Come on, get down.
Sorry, Ma.
Look at this village girl. Pack your books. Get out of this place. I don't want you on my couch. I don't want you on the table, close to the TV. I don't want you anywhere here. Get out!
Sorry, Ma.
Are you still wasting my time? Village girl. You're relaxing on my couch. You just keep disgracing me. Every time I look at your results, I just feel miserable. Why do you keep disgracing me, this little girl? Why?
But Mom, I tried my best.
You tried your best. 13th position. 13th position is your best? What sort of best is that? Why can't you come first or second or third, at least? Must you go all the way down to the 13th position? You tried your best. Nonsense. Come on, get your filthy hands off my daughter. Rubbish. Defender of the just. Because you came first position. You think I don't know you giraffed? Yes, I know you giraffed without your long neck. When did I register her in your school? She's already taking the first position. Why can't you do the same thing? Why? You get out. Get out of here. Get out of my sight. That her position was supposed to be your position.
But Mom, we are different.
You are different? Yes, because your own head is blocked. That's why you are different. Nonsense. And let me not find you watching TV again. No more cartoons for you. Nothing for you. Go inside.
Look, stop doing this to yourself. You end up with a headache, or do you want to fall sick?
Chidima, am I really a failure?
No, you're not a failure. Don't say that. Look, my inner always tells me that one is only a failure if they think themselves as such. So you're not a failure.
But my mom makes me feel that way. Now I'm so scared anytime there's a test or exam nearby. I'm afraid I'll fail.
Okay, look, you did not come first, yes. But you did not fail either. You got 13th position out of 40 people, meaning you're smarter than 27 whole people. So you should smile. Okay, you know what? I'll be teaching you every day so that you can be able to come first. And then from 27 people, you'll be able to beat 30, then 35. Then you beat everyone in the class, meaning you come first position.
Thank you. I can't wait. But you got first position. Yet she shouted at you. She always promises me gifts when I come first.
Well, it's obvious she doesn't like me no matter what I do. And I don't think she will ever like me. That doesn't matter. What matters is very soon you're going to come first position.
Knock, knock.
Oh.
Hey, girls.
Good
afternoon,
Uncle.
Dad.
Good afternoon. I heard you guys got your results today.
Yes, we did.
What's wrong with you? Why's your face like that?
Mom scolded me for getting 13th position.
I'm sorry about that. I'm sure she only wants what's best for you. But I'm sure next time you'll do better, right? That's my girl. And you! I heard you came the first position. Wow, you came first.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, very good.
Thanks.
You know you got to help your sister as well, teach her, so she can actually come first too.
Yes, I'll do
That's
that.
good. So why don't you guys go put on some clothes, something fancy, and we'll go out and have some fun. Yeah! Come on now.
All right,
I'm waiting for you guys, okay?
What are you gonna wear?
Ooh. All right, girls.
Hi.
Amos,
Bro,
how are you?
I'm very good.
It's been a while.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you? Good, good.
I thought you were abroad.
Yes, I travel, but I've been on and off. Yes.
Well, you look good.
Thank you.
You know, you look good. You look
Thank
very good.
Thank you. How's your wife?
And she's okay. She's okay.
Are they your daughters?
Yeah, they're my daughters.
Oh, you have 2 daughters now?
Yes.
Well, I thought it was just one.
Guys, where are you guys going? I'll meet up with you guys, okay? Don't pick too many things now. Why would you say that in front of them?
Oh, sorry, I never knew. But
I mean, you make the older one feel bad. You know, I adopted her.
Oh, really? Is
Yeah.
that Chidema?
You know her. You know her and her late mother.
Yes, Madam Edith. From the village. I know her.
Yeah. She passed, you know, and she didn't have anyone to take care of her, so I adopted her.
Oh, Madam Edith, she died?
Yeah, she's passed on.
Oh, so I didn't know about that.
Yeah.
But that's well.
It's all right. Listen, give me your contact. I will call you sometime.
All right.
My phone, I think, is in the car. I'll give you mine.
Okay, good.
You can flash me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 9, 7. Yeah, that's my number. Just call me, and I'll have your number, and then.
Okay. I think it's ringing now.
It's ringing now. Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic. I'll save it. All right, then. You take care of yourself.
Nice to
Eh?
meet you, bro.
Good to see you again. Come, we'll catch up.
Sure.
Okay?
Sure.
Take care now.
All right.
I got you this. I thought it might cheer you up. Oh. The girls picked it out for you.
That doesn't change the fact that you outrightly walked out on me and took the girls out without me.
I was upset with you.
You were upset with me? Because I told you about our daughter's bad performance. Come to think of it, why doesn't it even bother you?
It bothers me. It's just that the way you go about it, I don't think it will make her do better. I mean, you're too harsh on her. You make her feel, you know, less confident.
Chidima, that you brought here a couple of weeks ago, is already doing well in school, topping her class. Why doesn't it bother you that Nancy doesn't take after either of us?
Let me ask you this. All this while you've been calling her names and treating her badly, has it done any better? Why don't you take a different approach? You know? Be nicer to them. I mean, they're already scared of you. You don't want your daughter to grow up hating you, do you?
Hating me? Because I'm doing what's good for her. She won't hate me. She will end up thanking me in future, actually.
I saw Amos today.
Amos? Who is Amos?
Amos.
Oh, the one from the village. Oh, please. That guy brings bad memories. What's his name?
Oh, you're gonna find out. What are you smiling about? Nothing much. I don't think I bought you anything.
Oh,
big.
I like it though.
They picked it up for you. Chidima's choice.
No, I'm sure it was Nancy's choice.
Okay.
She has her mother's taste. It can't be anyone else, if not my daughter. This is beautiful. sort of closeness is this? So this witch has succeeded in bewitching my husband, and now my daughter is next? Chidima, your days in this house are numbered.
I don't know why mommy is late. She doesn't come this late normally. Now everyone has gone.
Maybe hold up is holding her. Maybe, I don't know. But don't worry, she'll come.
If not for you, that my bully classmate would have bullied me again.
Yes, I wanted to tell you. Don't let anyone bully you. Now that I'm in this school, nobody can bully you. Anyone that tries to bully you, call me because I'm your elder sister and I'll protect you. Oh?
Thank you. I'm thirsty.
Drink your water now. Is your water not in your...
My water has finished.
Wait, like I have money. Is this money that is remaining from that pocket money? Let me go and get water. Oh, okay. Stay here. Don't follow anyone.
Okay. Chidima, mommy is here. Mommy.
Hey, baby. Come in, let's go.
I'm waiting for Chidima. She wants to get me water to drink.
She went to get you water?
Yeah.
Get in, let's go. I can't stay here and wait for her.
But I'm waiting for Chidima.
Get in, let's go. You want me to stay here and be waiting for Chidima? In the car, let's go.
But
she can walk home if she likes. I don't care. Just get into the car, let's go.
Mom, Chidima is already here.
Come into the car, let's go.
Here, but she's already here.
Get into the car, let's go.
Chidima is there.
Close the door. Wear your seatbelt.
I'm waiting for Chidima.
Oh, what kind of business is this now? Auntie! Auntie! I'm going to trek home now. I've used the money to buy water. What will I do? This is what I should enter.
Chidima.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir.
What in God's name are you doing? What are you doing here? Why are you not at home? And where is Nancy?
Nancy's at home with Auntie. Auntie came to pick us and then she forgot me in school.
She forgot you in school? So she left you stranded?
No, it's actually my fault. I went to go and buy water. That's why she forgot me. If I was there, she wouldn't have left without me. I'm sorry.
Hey, Peter. Listen, could you stand in for me at the meeting? Something has come up. Some emergency has come up. I can't make it. All right, I'll call you later. Bye. Get in the car.
Okay, sir. Sir, please open.
Get into the front seat of the car.
Sir, front.
Come to the front, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Nancy, you barely touched your food. Why?
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry. Because I left that village girl in your school. I hope you know she's not your sister.
But Dad said we should treat each other as sisters.
She is not your sister, and I will never treat her like one. One day, she will pack her bags and leave this house without even considering you.
She went to get water from me before you left her behind.
I don't care. What was I supposed to do?
I was supposed to stay there and be waiting for her.
How could you? Huh? Huh? You took Nancy and you left Chidima behind. How is she supposed to find her way back here?
What was I supposed to do? I went there and she was nowhere to be found. Would I have sat there and waited for her? Why would I wait for a village girl like her?
It's because you know your biological daughter, right? Why are you acting like a winch like this? Eh? What woman would someone with the fear of God in her would leave a child like that at school? Like, how did you expect her to find her way back home?
Children younger than her walk longer distance. So what's the big deal? What is the big deal? Is she special?
I am disappointed in you. You know, if I'd foreseen this wicked trait you're showing me now, I might not have married you.
Oh, so now you're regretting marrying me?
Killed you with my bare hands, idiot. Go and eat your food. Immediately! Move! Chidima! Chidima!
Jezebel. You were sent from the pit of hell to this house to ruin my marriage, right?
Mama, no.
Useless girl. Lie down on this bed now.
Please,
Come on, lie down on this bed!
Mama.
Lie down on this bed! Silly girl! Stupid girl! Senseless girl!
Please, I beg you!
Wicked girl!
Mama,
Stupid girl!
Anyway, are you serious about what you said earlier? Why are you ignoring me? You've been on this tab since you returned from work. I'm talking to you.
Why is it so hard for you?
Why is what hard?
To love your neighbor as you love yourself.
Oh, please, honey. These people you're being charitable to turn out to be ungrateful. They always pay good with evil.
She has been living with us for some time now. Don't you think it's time you start to trust her? What could she possibly do to you? Huh? I didn't think so. If you don't mind, I want to get back to my work.
That was how my sister was being so sweet and nice to her maid till she lost her marriage.
There you go again, comparing me to your sister and her marital situation. Please stop it.
I still think we should be precautious, okay? These people always appear innocent and sweet in the beginning until they win your heart and then, boom, their true colors appear. We should just be careful, that's all I'm trying to say. And why do we keep quarreling about this girl? Isn't that enough bad sign already?
We won't keep quarreling if you at least be nice to her. Good night.
Good night.
Auntie, I'm done with my chores, please. Can I eat now? I'm very hungry.
What chores are you done with? Did you do the laundry?
Yes, ma.
The dishes?
Yes.
Have you mopped my room?
Yes, yes.
Go and wash the gate.
Wash the gate? Do they wash the gate?
Are you asking me that question?
Ma.
Is there anything wrong with you? My friend, will you go and scrub the gates? I said go and scrub the gates.
Please, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Please.
Are you still standing there? Asking me questions?
Yes, I'll wash it.
I'm not sure you want to eat. You're not ready to eat yet. Silly girl. You're here asking me questions. You want to eat food. Nonsense.
What are you doing?
I thought I asked you to read your books. Baby, why are you shaking? You know I have never and I will never hit you.
Okay, but Mom, why do you hate Chidima so much?
Baby, it's not like I hate her. Just that her kind can be very ungrateful when they make it in life to the people that picked them up from the gutter. Don't worry yourself about that, okay? Hug for mommy. Oh, that's my darling. Now, read your books, okay? Let me get you something to drink.
Okay, Mom.
Chidima. So, God, where are your parents?
Apparently my Nna is dead. And I don't know if I have any other relative. I've not seen any before.
I don't understand. You don't have like brother, sister, anything?
I don't have anyone.
The reason I'm asking is because I don't like the way Madam is treating you. But why not report her to Oga?
I cannot report it though. It only cause a fight between the both of them, and I don't want that. I don't want it to happen.
What are you doing standing there with her?
Ma?
Oh, so the gatekeeper is now your boyfriend?
No, boyfriend. I don't. This is not my boyfriend.
Chidima, at your age, you're already standing with a man.
No, he's just
so you want to bring in unwanted pregnancy into my home?
No.
Come here now.
Please, it's not my boy. I don't know.
Okay, so you now want to pick a race with me in my house?
No
problems. I can see that you are tired of living in this house with me. Just wait.
Oh, please, Mom, please, I don't do anything. What should I do now? Mom, please. Please, I beg you. Oh, no,
now, before I blink, I want you to disappear from my house this minute. Move.
Madam,
I don't have anywhere to go.
Are you talking to me? Are you mad?
Sorry.
You want to lose your job, right?
No, please, I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have any money.
Get out of my house! I said you should get out of my house! Move! Get out of my house!
I beg you, please, I don't have anywhere to go. Please, I don't have
You
anywhere.
belong to the streets. The streets where my husband picked you from. Go back there. Get out of my house!
I don't know anywhere to sit.
Get out of my friend! Get out!
Madam.
And you break your head if you talk to me again. Idiot! Useless boy. You're standing with her.
Please, I beg.
Get out of the house!
Please, ma, I don't know where to go.
Sir.
Namdi.
Yeah. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, don't be offended. I've been meaning to...
Namdi, I know your salary is due. I haven't forgotten. I will transfer it to you, okay? Hello, Angel. What's wrong? Why are you crying? What's wrong?
Dad,
Yeah.
Chidima is gone.
What do you mean Chidima is gone?
I told you those strangers are not to be trusted. But you wouldn't listen.
What?
She ran away.
I don't believe you. Chidima will not do such. What did you do to her?
Oh, please, cut me some slack. I felt bad when I noticed she was gone. Until I realized she stole my money.
You're lying. Chidima will not do such, except you pushed her to it. She ran away because of your bad attitude towards her.
What do you mean my bad attitude towards her? Did I tell her to steal my money? She stole my money. Where are you going? Where are you going? She left since afternoon. You can't possibly find her.
First thing in the morning, I will go and make a report at the police station for a missing person.
Did I go too far? I hope nothing happens to her. You didn't hear anything. You didn't see anything. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? You didn't see anything. You don't know anything. She just left. Did you hear me, Nancy? Good girl. Now stop crying. Stop crying. Wipe your eyes. Why are you crying? Wipe your face.
Uncle Namdi. Uncle Namdi. Uncle Namdi. Uncle Namdi. Hey, Uncle Namdi. Uncle Namdi.
Chidima.
Sir, I'm here. Uncle Namdi. Uncle.
Where have you been?
Please, can you help me and beg Auntie so that she will forgive me? I did not do anything.
You know that one will be very difficult for me to beg that evil woman, that Jezebel.
What am I going to do now? I don't have anywhere to go. I don't know anywhere again. I don't even know where I am now.
Just relax. You know what? You will stay in my quarters. Maybe tomorrow morning when our guy is going to work, you will come out. How do you see it?
Okay, but if that's going to be the case, then you will not tell her that I'm here. Okay. Please.
Where could she be right now? She doesn't know anywhere here. Or did she go back to her school? I should have gone ahead yesterday to look for her. I shouldn't have stayed back. I won't forgive myself if anything happens to that child.
No, I didn't do anything wrong. I only sent her away from my home. If only Kingsley had listened and returned her to where he brought her from. It's not my fault. I'm only trying to protect my home.
Good morning, sir.
Open the gate.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Namdi. I told you I'll pay your money. Relax. I'm just,
Oga, it's not about my salary. It's about Chidinma.
I'm sure you're concerned as well, but I've got to go to the police station to make a report. I don't know why she would run away. I mean, that can't be the best option.
Run away? How? Oga, it was Madame that asked her to leave the compound. That she doesn't want to see her anywhere around the house.
What?
Every day she beats her, every blessed day.
How could you? How could you be so heartless? Huh? You chased her away, then you lied that she ran away. What kind of witch are you? You better pray nothing happens to her. Because if anything happens to her, this marriage is over! Namdi, open the gate for me.
Sir, she's in my quarters.
Who's in your quarters?
Chidinma.
She's what?
Chidinma.
Sir?
Hey! Chidinma, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry you had to go through all that.
Okay, sir.
You slept in there.
Yes, I did.
Sir, nothing happened though.
Actually, he slept on the floor and gave me his bed to sleep on.
Did you hear that? That's a human being for you. Someone who thinks about somebody else other than himself. Unlike you. Witchcraft is not all about flying at night and going for meetings. You're wicked. You're wicked. Come, darling. Let's go inside.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I
Thank
forgot.
you.
Okay.
Come. You forgot what?
My bag.
Don't worry, you get your bag later on.
I'm sorry about everything. I'm sorry I sent her away. Please, I can take them to school. You don't have to worry. Just, please, honey. Honey, please, let me take them to school. What did I do? I overreacted. I shouldn't have sent the innocent girl away. Oh God. My husband is really upset with me now. But I didn't do anything wrong. I was only trying to protect my home. No, please, get up.
What?
Yes, get up, please, sit down. Get up, please. Sit down. Sit down. Yes, sit well, sit properly. I'm so sorry I've been cruel towards you. Please forgive me. I shouldn't have treated you badly. I know I told you never to sit on the couch, but from today henceforth, you will always sit on the couch, okay? Please, don't ever sit on the floor again in this house. Feel at home, feel free, sit well, please.
But Mom, you asked Chidima to always sit on the floor when Dad is not around.
Yes, I know I told her to always sit on the floor, but there was no reason for me to tell her all of that. Okay? And I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Mom, are you apologizing to Chidima?
Yes, I'm apologizing to Chidima. Didn't Mommy teach you to always apologize anytime you're wrong? Mommy is wrong here, so Mommy has to apologize to her. Chidima, I'm really sorry. I'm really very sorry. Please. Chidima, please, just relax, okay? Sit well, sit properly. Sit properly. It's okay. Why don't you girls continue reading while I fix you something to drink, okay? No, relax, okay? Relax. Sit properly. Don't be afraid of me, okay? I won't hurt you anymore.
Sorry, Auntie.
Don't apologize either. You didn't do anything wrong. Okay? Yes,
Okay,
just feel free.
Shown on YouTube, the participants.
That mark.
Ma?
How did you get that mark?
What?
Can I see that mark?
What? Ma, what happened?
How did you get this mark?
My nurse said I was born with it, so I've had it since my birth. Ma, is there any problem with the mark?
You were born with this mark?
Yes, I was born with the mark. Ma, are you sure nothing is wrong?
Could this be mere coincidence? How is this even possible? No. She died. This is definitely a coincidence. It's not possible. It can't be her. It's not her.
What is it?
Do you see my pen?
No.
Oh, see here. Found it. Hope you're with your social studies.
Oh God!
They give us.
Hey, girls.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning.
Mom.
I see you guys are getting ready for school.
Yes.
That reminds me, when is your birthday?
My birthday is 20th August. Ma, I said 20th August.
Mom, are you the one taking us to school today, or Dad is still the one?
No, your dad is still very mad at me. I'm not sure. But I'll go talk to him.
Nancy, Auntie's acting really strange.
And did you see the way she was looking at you? I think she's planning a birthday surprise gift for you.
Nah, I don't think so. She doesn't like me enough to do that, so I'm not even expecting it anytime soon. Did you finish your assignment? Let me see.
It was too hard.
You did not finish it.
Honey, I know that you're upset with me, but please, is there a chance I could talk to you for, even if it's a minute, please?
I don't have the time to banter words with you.
I don't want to banter words with you either. Please, begging you, just hear me out. I want to talk to you.
What do you have to say to me?
It's about Chidinma.
And I don't want to hear it. I don't want to listen to 1,001 bad things you have to say about a little child.
Honey, please, just...
Listen, I don't want to be late for work. The children have got to get to school. Take care. I told you you're going to do well in school, eventually. I am so proud of you. But you have your sister here to thank for giving you all those lessons.
Chidinma, thank you for teaching me well.
It's fine, it's fine. Actually, it was easy to teach you because you were willing to learn.
You see that?
I can't wait to show Mom this. She'll be so proud of me.
Of course you will.
You, that's good.
Yes.
You see? Hello. You put in the work. Hello, darling.
Mom.
Welcome,
How you
Auntie.
doing? Well,
Mom, I thought you were in. You didn't go out with your car.
No, darling, I didn't go with my car.
But
show you.
look, I wanted to show you this.
Okay.
I got the highest score.
You did?
Yes! Look at my name on the top.
Wow. That's beautiful. Oh, this is really beautiful. I love this.
It's Chidinma who taught me well.
Oh, she did? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping her with her academics. I owe you one, I promise. This is really lovely. Wow. Ooh. Okay, so why don't I just whip up something for everybody to eat?
Okay.
Then I need to.
No, don't bother. You just got back from school. I'll handle it, okay? You guys just stay put. I'll come up with something soon.
Hey, the girl who came first. Good.
Mom has really changed.
Yes, she has changed. Good afternoon.
What's going on? Oh, yeah, what's going on?
She's the one.
What do you mean she's the one? And what's with the crocodile tears?
She has the mark too.
She has the mark. What mark does she? What are you talking about? I mean, I don't understand.
Our baby had this mark. And I have this mark on my body too. You brought our baby back home.
Chidima, could you go to your room, please?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, come. Have you gone nuts? Eh? People have similar marks every time. That means nothing. What nonsense are you talking about?
They did a DNA test. Chidima is our biological daughter. I was almost going crazy when she told me that her birthday is on 20th August. The same day I had our baby. That was why I went through the risk of running a DNA test. Chidima is our daughter.
How is that possible? I mean, the midwife told us that our child was dead. I saw that child.
But the DNA just proved otherwise. The DNA can't possibly be wrong.
We mourned our child. We made them bury our child.
The same thing I've been wondering. You didn't let me see my baby before putting her on the ground.
That's because the midwife said it was bad luck for us to bury the child. She buried the child.
What if they lied to us? But why would they lie to us? Why would they lie about something this serious? Why?
I don't know. But I know someone who has answers.
Amos,
Rosa,
how are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you again.
Same here.
And thank you for responding to my call. I'm sorry we're meeting on this, Yeah. My wife wanted to follow me. Want to talk to you together.
Oh, madam. Nice to see you again. It's been a long time.
Yes, the last time we saw was when my baby died.
Oh, madam. Come on. It's been a long time. The last time I came, I saw your older children. Come on. Let it go.
Amos, I'm going to cut to the chase and get right to the point while we're here.
Oh, okay.
Did my child die that day when my wife and we came to your mother to deliver our baby?
After the birth of my baby, your mother took her to bath her. But then she came back and she said my baby was weak and that my baby had died.
Did she die that day? Did our baby die that day?
I...
Answer the question. I said, did our baby die that day?
No. No. I wanted to come and tell you guys, but when I saw that you're already with your child, I thought it's not necessary anymore. We were looking for money and for surgery, and the doctor requested we deposit some money for transplant. So nobody accepted to loan us the money, and we sold her.
You sold my baby. Amos, you and your mother made me believe that my baby died. You told me my baby died and you made me mourn my baby while she was still alive.
I'm sorry.
You sold our baby too, Nick. Answer the question.
Yes, I did. I did. I did.
Did she know who the parents of the baby were?
She didn't know. She didn't know. She was looking for a companion, and we sold the child to her in exchange of her land to raise the money.
You sold my child.
We needed money.
You needed money?
Yes. Yes, we needed money for my surgery, and the doctor... I'm sorry.
I'm going to make sure that you spend your life, the rest of your life, on jail. Where's our daughter? All this while, our daughter has been living under our roof. And we didn't even know it.
Will she ever see me as her mother? After everything I did to her.
No wonder I felt so drawn to her. Right from when I met her in the village.
You were so drawn to her and I was busy chasing her away from me every chance I got. Shit.
Alright, the first one is 2 times 6. Don't use this. 2 times 6, I've taught you how to find it. So 2 times 6 is simply 6 in 2 places.
Ma, what are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about what happened yesterday. I think your mother once had a child that had the same birthmark as mine.
Yes, Dad once told me the story.
Oh.
How they visited the village and they had a baby, but they lost her.
Oh, so sorry.
It's okay. Dad says she's in heaven now.
Really? Oh, okay. Okay, let's get over it. 6, so I was saying 6 times.
Hey, girls.
Uncle.
Dad.
Hey. Mama.
Uncle, how are you?
I am not your uncle. I am your biological father.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Dad, I don't understand.
Nancy. Mama is your older sister. Your blood sister. You're my child. And she's your mother. Your real mother.
No, she's not my mother. She can never be my mother. I don't know who she is. Look, the only mother I know is dead. She's not my mother.
Listen, I know how hurt you must feel knowing that India wasn't your mother. Stop crying. It's okay.
Uncle, you're a kind man. You loved and cared for me, even when you didn't know I was your daughter. I love you, Uncle.
I love you too. But I am not your uncle. You're my flesh and blood. So you can call me Daddy. Okay?
Yes, Daddy.
I love you too, kiddo.
Chidima, please. I deserve anything you say or do to me. I know I did unbelievable things to you. I was so mean to a child I carried in my own womb. My own child. I'm really very sorry. There was no reason at all for me to treat you the way I did. Please, I beg you. I'm asking for another chance. I promise you. I will treat you better. I'll be a better person to you, please. Please, my child. Please forgive me.
God, you hated me. You called me all kind of names. You made me feel like I was not a human being. Now you've realized that I'm your daughter. And you're begging. How on earth do you expect me to forgive you?
Please, I beg you. Please forgive me. I shouldn't have treated you the way I did, but I'm truly sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Wow, this story is very interesting. I wish it didn't end though. Tell me another one now.
First, what is the moral lesson you learned from this one?
Moral lesson. Okay, I learned that we should persevere at all times.
Oh, good. Another moral lesson is that you have to forgive people's flaws because no one is perfect.
No matter how or what they do to you, right?
Exactly.
Now, can you tell me another story?
Listen. She's your mother, okay? You have to give her a second chance. Come on, for my sake. Come on. Come. Hug your mother.
I forgive you, Mom.
Sorry. I'm truly sorry.
It's okay.
Good.